As today we'll talk about how can you change your community name on your RetailMeNot app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down here, click on account down here, just click on it. When you just click on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on profile, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on edit profile. So when you click on edit profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you come here to community name, just click here on edit. So then here can you change your new community or edit your new community name, and you click here on save changes here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.